It is possible to embroider incredible designs in our CAMFive EMB machines. And the best of all is that you can embroider almost any garment thanks to the complement that comes with your machine. Join us to discover the clip frame. Your CAMFive EMB embroidery machine comes with a variety of frames for you to work with and comes in different sizes, but also you can get the clip frame. This tool can be used to embroider shoes, bags, and many other types of garments. Installation is simple. Put the clip frame at the middle of the embroidery frame and secure it with an olive branch. Take your material, in this case a comfort sneaker, open the clips and place the material there. You can put it on the side or on the tongue. Adjust the clip, which will keep it still. Put your design in the machine and adjust it. Now you can start embroidering. The clip frame has a work margin that you can use for working on many types of shoes and any garment whose sizes are smaller than the other frames. Once you finish the embroidery, release the material from the clips and enjoy a good work done. Thanks for watching. Keep tuned for the next video of the CAMFive EMB embroidery machine.